स्टाइल एक ऐसी चीज है जो वाकई में हर शख्स के लिए एक अलग डेफिनेशन होल्ड करती है। किसी के लिए जीन्स एंड टॉप एक खूबसूरत स्टाइल है, तो किसी के लिए अ क्रॉप टॉप विद अ नाइस डेनिम शॉर्ट स्कर्ट भी स्टाइल है, तो किसी के लिए ट्रेडिशनल अटायर को एक फंकी टच देना एक स्टाइल बन जाता है, तो किसी के लिए अपने ट्रेडिशनल को एक इंडो वेस्टर्न तरीके से पहनना स्टाइल बन जाता है। एंड ऑनेस्टली स्पीकिंग, ऑल आवर सेलिब्रिटीज हैव मैनेज्ड टू woo their charm and actually take us all for a overdrive with their style statements. Well, there's a lot of trends which not only evolve but also make it classy comebacks over the years in fashion. हमने काफी बार देखा है कि कैसे retro trends and styles from the 19s and 2000s have actually made a huge and a grand comeback with a better touch, and they not only look elegant but make their way into the most evergreen trends on fashion industry. One trend that falls in line with that is the one that side shoulder trend. जी हाँ दोस्तों, the side shoulder trend is something that's pretty much evident and evergreen over the years, and it has only changed and transformed in a better manner. To say so, in these testing times of COVID pandemic, we could not get any other name as a vaccine-ready trendy outfit. Yes, you heard that thing right. The gorgeous beauties have actually set up a major trend goal called as vaccine-ready trending outfit. Well, whether they are worn casually with jeans or flats or dressed up with a midi skirt and heels off-shoulder tops, they all are popping up at every occasion. Their versatile nature combined with the stunning neckline makes them a winning style that you simply must try. Well, आज हमारे टेलीचक्र के स्टाइलोमीटर में हम आपके साथ शेयर करेंगे इसी स्टाइल के बारे में, हमारी कलाकाराओं के बारे में जिन्होंने किया फ्लॉन्ट इस स्टाइल को अपने अनोखे अंदाज में. Adding up to the variation of this style is one of the side open shoulder which gives this trend a pretty much classic touch. While the Bollywood style diva like Anushka Sharma flaunts it in a rather casual way, we have some of the top-notch celebrities from the television world who are all set giving us major reasons to be wearing this style at every occasion possible. Take your cues from celebrities like Ankita Lokhande, Ashnoor Kaur, Erika Fernandez, Gauhar Khan, Rashmi Desai, Shivangi Joshi, Heli Shah and many others out there. Well, आप इस पिक्चर में देख सकते हैं कि कैसे the gorgeous beauty Ankita Lokhande is dressed up for something which is apt for a red carpet look. She's wearing a dress that's a pretty much bodycon red hot color dress with a frill towards one side of her shoulder. Well, she's indeed wearing the style in a very different manner and flaunting her style sense. The next one being Ashnoor Kaur. जी हाँ दोस्तों, while black is a go-to color and indeed black हम सब में से कितनों के लिए is the current red, one can rock the LBD by giving it a classic touch of one shoulder like Ashnoor has given. उन्होंने इस खूबसूरत ड्रेस को one off shoulder की तरह पहनकर इस पे काफी ज्यादा अपना personalized touch लगाया है. Well, the dress indeed looks gorgeous in another level because it has quite the golden lines on it and is actually accentuating Ashnoor's curves. Not only that, Ashnoor has mixed and matched the dress with a sleek hairstyle with a minimal natural look with a little pink blush on herself, giving her all this perfect glow on all the perfect places. The next one being the gorgeous television bahu Erika Fernandez, and we can clearly call her the reigning queen of every style trend. Erika इस पिक्चर में बहुत ही खूबसूरत लगती हैं and also one shoulder off की ये ड्रेस जो उन्होंने पहनी है और अपने स्टाइल में फ्लॉन्ट की है indeed is quite setting a lot of trend goals. Well, if there's something which inspires every time we see Gauhar Khan is the fact that she is a very updated person. Talk about the style trends, talk about the dresses, talk about the fashion statement. Gauhar looks her best in almost every occasion. You will find all the trending goals on her itself, and Gauhar ki ye metallic silver dress indeed is setting a major goal out there. Well, the dress is simply stylish and yet so sober, and she has combined the one side off shoulder dress with nice block heels that are not too large and are pretty much comfortable as you can see. The next one being the gorgeous and stunning Rashmi Desai, जिनको हमने देखा है बिग बॉस, नागिन उतरन जैसे खास शोज में. Well, she has made this cute outfit look all the more sexy with her smile and the way she has been flaunting it. Well, indeed, it would be rightly to be said that yellow वाकई में है रश्मि का color, because wearing this nice bodycon yellow color dress with a balloon shoulder and one off shoulder, Rashmi looks gorgeous as ever, and she indeed has combined the dress with nice earrings that are giving her a look of an Indo-Western look to it. The next one being our very own Heli Shah, जिनको हम देख रहे हैं इश्क में मर जावा में रिद्मा के किरदार में. उन्होंने इस ड्रेस को भी या फिर ये कहे इस स्टाइल में भी अपना इंडियन तड़का लगा ही दिया है, क्योंकि वो नजर आती है ऑफ शोल्डर ड्रेस को फ्लॉन्ट करती हुई इस साड़ी लुक में, जहाँ पे उनका ब्लाउज इज प्रीटी मच द ऑफ शोल्डर सेक्सी ब्लाउज दैट इज सेटिंग मेजर ट्रेडिशनल गोल्स आउट देयर एंड आल्सो इज गिविंग अस ऑल द पॉसिबल आइडियाज हाउ यू कैन स्टाइल योर नेक्स्ट साड़ी व्हेन यू आर प्लानिंग टू गो ऑन सम फंक्शन आउट देयर. द नेक्स्ट वन बीइंग दैट वी हैव ऑनेस्टली सीन Shivangi Joshi in a handful of ethnic wears, and we have loved and adored her. We have seen her in pretty much cute outfits also, but here is Shivangi Joshi pulling off a beautiful western dress, जहाँ वो one side off shoulder की dress में and on the other side has a beautiful rose frill on her. While the color indeed is complementing her skin tone, and the hairstyle and the entire look is something that you really can plan on wearing if you really are going to a very top-notch event. Well, ये तो थी हमारी खास नामचीन अदाकाराएं जिन्होंने फ्लॉन्ट किया अपनी स्टाइल स्टेटमेंट्स अपने तरीके से। आप हमारे साथ ये हफ्ते के स्टाइलोमीटर में हमें बताना ना भूलिएगा कौन सी अदाकारा है जिसके स्टाइल को करना चाहेंगे आप लोग फॉलो। Until then, stay tuned to Telly Chakkar for all the more updates for the Telly world. Know all about the Telly world by subscribing to Telly Chakkar's YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated to our new videos.